The MOT test is the UK's annual check for vehicles aged 3 years or older and is designed to make sure that at the time of the test, your vehicle meets the minimum acceptable environmental and road safety standards required by law. During the MOT test, the operation of the headlights, fog lights, hazard warning lights, tail lights, brake lights, indicators and reverse lights will be verified. Your wipers and washers will be checked for proper operation. The windscreen will be checked for any chips or cracks that may impede the driver's line of vision. The brake system will be checked for excessive wear, corrosion or leaks, and the brakes will be tested on a rolling road to ensure even braking on all wheels. An illuminated brake pad wear indicator will result in a test fail. The steering and suspension components will be inspected for wear, damage or leaks. The engine and transmission are also inspected for leaks of certain fluids. The vehicle's body and frame will be inspected for security and condition. The exhaust system will be checked for leaks, security or excessive corrosion. Your vehicle's exhaust gas will be sampled to ensure that the emissions of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, oxides of nitrogen and soot don't exceed permitted levels. On vehicles fitted with a diesel particulate filter, smoke of any colour from the exhaust or evidence of tampering with the DPF will result in a fail. The tread depth of your tyres will be measured and they'll be checked for any damage. Your seatbelts will be checked for wear, proper extension and latching. The MOT test includes a check of emissions control components such as the oxygen sensor, NOx sensor and exhaust gas recirculation valve. If any of these items are malfunctioning, the check engine light normally shows on the dashboard. A faulty check engine light will also result in an MOT fail. The result of each check is recorded and a VT20 pass certificate is issued if there are no defects. If there are minor defects, meaning no significant effect on the safety of the vehicle or impact on the environment, drivers are advised to repair the items as soon as possible and an MOT pass certificate is issued. Items are classed as advisory defects if they could become more serious in the future. Drivers are advised to monitor and repair if necessary and an MOT pass certificate is issued. Items are marked as major defects if they may affect the vehicle's safety, put other road users at risk or have an impact on the environment. Drivers are advised to repair these items immediately and the vehicle will be issued with a VT30 refusal of MOT test certificate. If any item on the vehicle is marked as dangerous, meaning defects that have a direct and immediate risk to road safety or have a serious impact on the environment, drivers are advised not to drive the vehicle until it has been repaired, and again a refusal of MOT test certificate form is issued detailing the items that must be repaired.